Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Monday morning, 29th day of January. We're almost through with this month. A relatively mild 54 as I make this at 4:13 in the morning. Over the next 10 days, it's going to be like one of those rides at Six Flags. Lots of ups and downs. I think I counted 4 frontal systems in just the next 10 days. I'll kind of spell it out for you. And plus, we'll look deep into the month of February, all the way out to about February 13th to see if there's anything surprising or shocking lurking in our future. And what about this full moon on Wednesday night? You know, the supermoon. They're calling it the blue moon, the blood moon, with an eclipse. There's a lot of misinformation on the internet about it. I'll try to straighten it out for you. On the big map this morning, there's the frontal system and the rain with it now along the southeastern U.S. coast. But you see that second front, the one north of Nashville? Yeah, that's got the really chilly air back behind it. It surges into the state later today, and you'll feel it when it's around tonight and tomorrow for sure. It won't last long. For today, some clouds early. Then it becomes mostly sunny. A breezy day with a high around 61. Tonight's low 31 as we wait for that second front. North winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour today. Tomorrow is a breezy, cold January day. High temperatures only in the 40s, but the winds will make it seem colder than that. And I think by Wednesday morning, oh, look at this. We got 27 all the way down into North Florida. 26 Lake Martin, even colder up in North Alabama. So, yeah, Wednesday's going to be a chilly day. But after that cold morning, a nice afternoon rebound, I think we're back in the upper 50s. So it doesn't stay cold for long. And into the low 60s Thursday, maybe some showers late Thursday, more likely Thursday night as a frontal system moves into the state. There's midnight on Thursday night, showing the band of showers coming into central Alabama and heading on southward. But I think by Friday morning, there's not much left of the showers. Colder air coming in, so Friday is another setback day, another day of colder air before we start to rebound. I think Saturday will be chilly, but temperatures into the maybe low to mid-50s, but dry. And then we get into Sunday. We may have low 60s early, but that before rain comes in. Now, the GFS shows some mischief, some snow up to the north and even a mix, but I don't believe that. I don't buy it. So let's look at the European. See, the European is all rain, and so we're going to go with that forecast. All rain in Alabama, I think, and don't listen to rumors because there's a whole bunch of rumors out there. Sunday at 6 p.m., again, mostly rain covering much of the state of Alabama, especially the east and southeast counties at that hour, and then colder air back behind that. So we got a breezy, cold day Tuesday with a high around 48, mid-20s Wednesday morning, a nice afternoon rebound into the low 60s Thursday with showers returning Thursday evening, Thursday night, and more showers early in the day Friday before we turn cooler. That's a chilly day. And we're looking at temperatures which will be recovering a little bit before this next storm system on Wednesday, February 7th. You see another frontal system. So they keep coming at us, and the European shows it very easily. You see plunge number 1, then you see a rebound and another storm system, then plunge number 2, then a rebound, then another storm system, then plunge number 3, then a rebound and another storm system. That's the way the next 10 days work out. Occasionally, we'll see 60-degree high temperatures, but you notice that really cold day Tuesday and another cold day Friday, and in between we warm up, and then well, you know, it's going to be a lot of ups and downs. The GFS takes us out to close to the middle of the month. This is out through February 13th. We start a trend towards colder towards the middle of the month, and we still no signs of the major Arctic outbreak that we keep watching for. It'll come eventually. Wednesday's supermoon, it's going to be closest to the Earth, so it'll appear a little bit larger. It's called a blue moon because it's the second full moon in January. It'll have a slight red tint to it, so that's why they're calling it the blood moon. Sunset will be at 5:17, but the moonrise is a spectacular one at 5:42 p.m. And by the way, there will be a partial eclipse of the moon visible in this part of the world, but only early, if you're up early, 5:48 to 6:36 a.m. on Wednesday morning. With all these weather changes coming up in the next 10 days and beyond, our weather app's going to be great to have on your phone or tablet. Get it on your phone today. And by the way, I like the interactive radar where you can zoom down to the neighborhood level and you can put in different layers on the radar, plus access to all these videos and blogs. It's just good to have, and it's available for you right now. Hey, we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg J, Emily, and the dog back behind me there. That's Bailey. She'll be in the studio with us as well. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45. And when you're out and about in the car, all across the radio dial on 8 stations twice an hour, that's where you'll find my forecast as well. Have a great Monday. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas weather.